Hello and welcome guys to May Leetcode challenge week 3. We are at the start of week 3 and we are given a problem is maximum sum of circular subarray. So here we are basically given an array of integers known as A. Find the maximum possible sum of the non-empty subarray of C, where circular array means the end of the array connects to the beginning of the array. We all know that circular. So also a subarray also means that include each element. We can include each element to find the max element. So yeah, it's basically the question. We will use basically the cadence algorithm to find the solution. So cadence algorithm is the solution, one solution that will help us to reach the solution. If you don't know what is cadence algorithm, there are tons of videos in YouTube. You can always check that. And if you want me to explain as a cadence algorithm, I will do a separate video in which I will totally explain the cadence algorithm with the code. So here I'm not basically explaining the whole cadence algorithm, but I will do in a small nutshell for you to understand. And if you guys know the cadence algorithm, then bingo, you can straightly go to the solution. So first input is 1. So first we have to fix this position 1. The sum would be 1 here, as it is the first element of the array. Then moving to the next, -2. The 1 plus -2 will be -1. -1 plus 3, it would be 2, +2, and then 2 minus 2 would be 0. So this is not the maximum sum. So maximum sum what would be if we include only 3. So only 3 would give the output as also 3, or the maximum sum would be also 3, as we can include each element. So yeah, 3. Moving on to the next, 5 minus 3 2, 2 plus 5 7. So if we include all the 3, it would be 7, and if we include 5 and this 5, it would be 10. So yeah, 5 and 5 10 would be the maximum sum of the subarray. Like this, 3 minus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 1 3. So no, up to this we would consider, up to this, as the output is maximum. So like this you can see the other two examples as given. So this is basically the cadence algorithm. We will start from the beginning, and there would be two variables known as the current sum and the global sum. The current sum would give would iteratively give the sum of the elements, this one, so sum of the elements for the next element with the present element, and the global sum will record the maximum sum till now. Okay, so like this we use this algorithm to find the maximum sum. So yeah, so basically we are moving on to the solution, taking two variables. Int max equal to, we are setting to integer to min. Integer the main value, one variable, sorry, this is dot. Yes, another would be that global sum, or the global max as we consider. So yeah, so global max. Okay, follow the camel case notation of denoting sorry, to the variable names. Global max would be basically first initialize to integer dot again to min value, as it would basically the starter of an array. Yeah, so now it was all about the max. Now comes the min. So min would be initialized with the max value. like that. Take global mean and also integer what Maxwell. Okay, and then we have to take another variable sum to keep track of the sum. Basically we here with 0, and first now comes the for loop, as we have to loop through the elements of the array. So for int I in a is basically the array. So what would be the sum plus is equal to I. Okay, pretty much clear till now. Now comes the main part. What we have to do this, we have to check what we have done. We have to check this element, first element, with the next element, and store the sum of the array till now. So yeah, global sum global max equal to method max. Always you have to take the maximum value. So method max, oh, sorry. Method max here. Okay, plus the next element to psi max equal to, and this is for the global max dot max global max. Yeah, this was for the max. Now I have to do for the minimum value also. So global min equal to math.min comma 0 plus the next element. Basically I'm copy this down and then editing. To save time, it would be min is a math.min. It would also be min global min. Done. Up to this. Now comes the final checking part. If sum not equal to min, return method max and the negation of how much it is greater. So sum minus min. Finally return the max value. So yeah, so this was basically the code. Let us see it works or not. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, this was the cadence algorithm, basic cadence algorithm. So if you want me to explain in another video, I will definitely make another video on cadence algorithm. Until then, stay stay tuned in my channel. If you like my videos, we will be back tomorrow again with a new challenge. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.